speakers before me that there is no doubt that Secretary Honasan is qualified for the position. And if there were still doubts in the minds or opinions of others, we are confident that he will dispel them in enough time as he carry out his duties and responsibility at DICT. In his unassuming ways, Secretary Honasan will surely do so without any fanfare. As his colleagues here, we know too well that he is not one to call attention to himself. So what we are doing here now must be making him ill at ease already. But this offers of all of us a very good opportunity to let people get to know more about him. Reading about his personal and professional life, it is clear to me that he remains as real and authentic back then as he is until now. To prove this, the description of him in his PMA class yearbook decades ago still rings true this day. To quote, comfortably warm and constantly dynamic, has enough determination and perseverance in achieving his goals, coupled with characteristic humility and compassion for the less fortunate, have tempered all his actuation thus far. These traits which have endeared him to both equals and subordinates will remain hallmarks of every endeavor he undertakes.